going to be unboxing this Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2840-20. This is an air compressor with a tank. This is better. It has a 2-gallon tank. This is one of our Milwaukee people recommended to use for my trucks. Anything that has big tires. So I'll go ahead and set it down here. And do a little unpacking. And again, Milwaukee has the comparisons on the back side of how it compares to its competitors. And some specifications here on the side, Spanish, and of course, tool only. And here's the compressor. And here's the front side. Comes with instructions. And looks like maybe a filter. Looks like that will end up going here. And my helper Shiloh down here. And when you need to add the battery, it will be here under the bottom side. You can see it's got a big cavity for a big battery. And that's where the battery goes, underneath. On and off switch. So it's ready to go. And next thing we'll do is we'll take it to the farm and test it out. A nice little hack for your Milwaukee pack out is your 2-gallon air compressor lays right on top. I'll stand it up right here. And you see it sits right on top. You see those little guys right down the feet? They lock right in. When you lean it back, the handles line up perfectly, and just throw a bungee cord across, hook it in the front, hook it in the back, and you're good to go. Take your air hoses and accessories, put them down below one of your pack outs, and you can take your 2-gallon air compressor right along with your pack out. I got the new compressor out here at the farm. Farming season's pretty much done, but I had the gator out, and I did notice that it has a flat tire. So we'll check the little compressor out, and I was hoping to test it on something bigger, but I'm kind of glad that nothing bigger had problems. So we'll check it out on the gator. You can hear it running right now, and this hooks up pretty fast. I can get to where you can, there you go. for about 120. So we'll see if it stops at 120. And actually outlet pressure is set at 120, so I can set this on a semi truck and pump the tires up. But the tank pressure is at 135, 140, and it pumped up quite quickly, as you just saw. And we'll see how quick it pumps this little gator tire up. There it goes. And that looks good. It did start running again. So the gator tire is all good to go again. And we are pumping the rest of the way up on our pressure. And you can see again, it doesn't take it long to refill. I'd like to try it on an air nail, and I don't have one currently. As you can hear, it's not very loud. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day.